Hello everybody, thanks for coming to my YouTube channel today. My name is Grace. I'm also known as Littlemama. And today in this video, I'm going to show you how to earn up to $30 per hour just by clicking around, okay guys? And what you're going to do is really about testing different websites and testing different apps and just try to perform on these websites and new apps what the owners want you to do, and then you just kind of give your opinion. I mean, how easy is this? So that's what I'm going to be showing you today. I'm going to show you 3 websites that you can do this on so you can have more chances to get more money. Okay, guys? All right, let's get started quick. And remember, if you like this video, please give me a thumbs up today, okay? And subscribe to learn more about how to make money online. And also hit that notification bell so that you can see when my next video comes out. So let's get started, guys. Okay? This is Work Anywhere Now. This is my blog, guys. That's my website. And the first site I'm going to show you is UserFeel. If I go to their homepage, this is a company where companies and brands like these guys go to UserFeel to ask them to get people to test their new sites or their new apps that they're pushing out, and they want to see if it's user-friendly, if it's good navigation, and if there's anything they can improve. So for you and me, we could become a tester here, okay? And see here, you can become a tester and earn $10 per test, and each test would last 10 to 20 minutes. So if you do like 3 of these, that's like 30 bucks per hour. So that is where I'm getting that number from. And this video is really good. It actually shows you what they are looking for, what the tester should be doing. So what you're going to be doing is that you're going to be getting onto a website that they want you to test. And what you're going to be doing is just performing the tasks that are shown to you. So whether to find a certain product on a clothing shop website, or be able to pick a certain outfit, or find something on a website, or find or do a certain action or a certain app. That's what all you're doing is just clicking around these websites and then just doing these little tasks. But what is important is that you speak as you go, okay? You need to really speak your mind as you go, and then you can really provide value to these owners of the website so they can improve their product, okay? So I'm just going to go through these FAQs with you to show you how these are done. Okay, so what do? They conduct usability tests on websites. Their job is to imagine a given scenario and perform certain tasks, like finding a product in an online store or going through a checkout process. Oh, so if you do go through a checkout process, you do not have to buy anything. I just want to stress this out. You would just go up to the point just before you put in like your personal private information. So you would not do that. You would not put in your credit card or anything like that. And if you were to fill out any form, you are not required to put in your real personal information. You could put in fake information. You see here, should I use my real name, address? No, you should just use fake details, okay? In order to test websites and get paid $10 per test, you need to have a Windows or Mac computer, okay? So you need to have a computer, guys. You got to do this. It's not on a phone. Your computer needs to have a microphone. Any microphone will work, even cheaper ones, okay? You will be chosen for your language that you speak, okay? So it doesn't matter if you speak English or whatever it is. Just make sure you are honest with the languages that you can speak fluently, because if you're picked for those tests, you need to speak in those specific languages that you say you can. And that test needs to reflect that, okay? You will also have screener questions here. So what are screener questions? This is very important here. Before you start a test, you may be asked to answer one or more screener questions in order to determine that you are the right fit for the test. So for example, if the client needs to test a website selling baby strollers, you may be asked whether or not you have small children. If you meet the criteria, you proceed to take the test. If not, another tester will be notified. So even though you will have tests available every day, you may not qualify. So you need to be aware of that as well, okay? We do not want a tester to say everything is okay. You don't want to say everything's okay, or that you're trying to suck up to that website or what and say everything is beautiful. You don't want to do that. You just want to have a very honest opinion about what you're testing. So this is what they really need, okay? They want you to perform the task that they need for the testing scenario. They need you to speak loudly into the microphone. You need to make sure you are in a quiet place so they can hear you, right? And then you continuously do this as you're going through the whole test. You need to continuously speak what you're thinking, okay? And if you're confused about something, that is, or what attracts you, that you should really talk about stuff like that, because that will really tell them what they need to improve or what is working for them. And then you could propose things that would help them, that will help you do the task, or any other useful, helpful information. And the more information that you can provide, the more likely your test is going to be approved, okay? You won't get paid, guys, unless your test is actually approved, so you got to make sure you do a good job, okay? They're not just going to pay $10 for you, and they pay through PayPal, so that's awesome, but or you can also get Amazon gift cards, and they pay within a week of your test being approved, so that's very quick. The other two websites I have for you, this next one is Userlytics. I'll have all the links for each site in the video description below, so don't you worry about that. So for this one, this is actually their home page where clients go. So they work with many big companies here for this company, for this Userlytics. So like Microsoft, Google, L'Oreal, American Airlines. They go to Userlytics to see if they can do the recruiting of the testers, so the brands don't have to do that themselves. And so you as a tester, you will go here, tester setup, and then you would just go on this form and fill it out. It's very short and easy, as they're saying here. And then you would just interact with a website or a mobile app. And so this one, it looks like you can use your phone with this one as well. And again, you need to speak your thoughts and emotions out loud as you do so. So this is very important. And then you could get paid via PayPal very quickly here. Once you're approved, once your test is approved, you could be paid any of these amounts, or even as much as $90 for having fun expressing your opinions while navigating the web. All right, guys, and you only need to be 16 years old or older to do this. So how it works. So you're just going to check out the usability of apps and websites. So you can test from home on your own time, wherever you are free, okay? They will give you the instructions of what to do, and you just gotta follow the instructions, guys. Now, don't think you're going to get $9. I mean, this is even up to, so this is going to be rare, of course, okay? You're more likely going to get the lower amounts. And what countries can you test from? This can test from many different countries, as you can see here, all around the world. But I guess you need to have access to PayPal, so you need to make sure you get that. So what do you need? So if you're going to use a desktop, you need to have a Mac or PC with these latest operating systems installed, and then you can use your Android or iPhone for these tests too. So this is awesome. So this is a great one to try as well. Now the third one is called User Testing, and this one you can earn up to $60 per test. And they're saying here that you could get $10 for every 20 minutes for every video you complete. So this is looking at websites and looking at apps, and you could check out this video which will show you how to get through. They're showing you how to go through your test, and make sure you speak loudly and clearly what you're doing as you're going through your test scenario. So it's really good to watch some of these sample videos, because all of them have a sample video of what you are expected to do. And so if you review this little video here, it's just perfect for what you need to learn how to do it correctly, so you get paid, guys. You want to make sure you get paid, okay? So what do you need? You need a computer or a phone that has a microphone, of course. You need to be able to download the testing software. You need to be at least 18 years for this one to be used. and you need to be able to speak in English. How much can you make? It's not, see, even they say it won't make you rich because there's not going to be a lot of there may be testing available every day, but not everything is going to be eligible for you because they want certain people with certain demographics or certain income or certain skills or certain gender. Just depends. Okay, so you may not be able to make the money that you want because of that. So, but it is available, but from so many different places around the world. So this is really a great option for you guys if this is something you want to do. I mean, this is pretty easy to make $30 per hour doing this way. But guys, this is not something that I do myself. I don't do these testing sites to make money online. Although this is a great way for you guys to start. It really depends on what you're looking for. If you want to make much bigger money though, much bigger income online that you can actually depend on, something that it could really change your life or even quit your day job if that's what you're looking for. It just depends on your goals, guys. But if it is a goal of making way more money than just testing these little websites and apps, you really want to check that first link in my video description, and I'm going to show you a program that would really lead you to making big money online. And it does take work, guys. In order to make big money online, you're going to be needing to learn some new things and be able to work hard at making it work. The skills that you will learn from this program will help you get there. So it just depends on your own drive. It depends on whether you want it badly or not. I want it badly and I have done it, guys. So if you want to follow me and earn a 4-digit online income passively, mind you, okay? It's active work but passive income. So check that first link in the video below and I will see you on the inside, guys, okay? So thank you very much for coming to this video today. I hope you liked it. If you did, give me a thumbs up and click that little thumbs up button. And again, if you want to learn more about how to make money online, please subscribe to my channel and hit that notification bell so you know when my next video comes out, guys. All right, I'll see you on the next one. Thank you. Bye-bye.